Okay. திரும்ப ஒரு தடவை சொல்லிடுறேன், ஏன்னா அதுவும் ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகணும் இல்லையா? See, today we see, today's date is 17/11/2021. Today we see the topics PCR. PCR is nothing but put call ratio. And the next one, when to enter the trade and exit the trade. When to enter and exit the trade. Next, using chart in trading view. These three topics today you see. So the PCR. The importance of PCR. Well, first I will explain what is PCR. The total number of put to open interest divided by total number of call open interest. If this one is greater than greater than 1, market is bullish. You know what is bullish? Bullish means market will go up. If this value is less than 1, market is bearish. Market may go down. But this keep on changing. This value will keep on changing. Okay. So in the Excel, I explain how this happens. See here, I will share that screen also. See here. See here. Here I have given the PCR values for each strike price. Just you see. See, these are the PCR values for each strike price. This one is 1.54 is the PCR value for the strike price of, I think all of you are able to see, this is 38,100. So market is bullish above what? 38,100. You see here, these are the values less than, this value is less than 1. So market is bearish. So bearish below this. That put value here up to 38,100. That PCR value is higher than 1. PCR value is higher than 1. So now market is trading at the price of 38,000. I think 38,209. Last trading price is 38,216. And it just keeps changing. And you see, this value will keep changing based on the total, the net OI divided by this call OI. Okay. This one is PCR value for each strike price. Similarly, we can find out the PCR value for the total open interest. See here. See, this one is total call open interest. This one is total put open interest. If you are dividing these two, you will be getting the total markets PCR. This is PCR. PCR of the market equal to, which is equal to, we have to use the formula, put, this is 130.
Put open interest divided by call open interest.
Okay, this if we are dividing, we'll get the, which is equal to 0.97. Okay. So in the morning, if you are seeing this put call ratio, this 1 crore 30 lakh, which was around 1 lakh, 1 crore or 1 crore and 50 lakhs around. Now there are around 20 lakh puts are unwinding happened.
Okay.
Here you see, here there is no much difference here from the yesterday. I hope it was 1,40,000. Yeah, around 7 lakh put up. The call was call unwinding was happened, and okay. This is the PCR value of the total the market of the Bank Nifty.
Okay.
This is the PCR of the each strike price. If this value is greater than 1, we can say the market is bullish. Greater than 1, the market is bullish. Okay, bullish. And if this one is less than 1, we may say this is bearish.
Bearish.
Okay.
Bearish. That's bearish. This keep changing, sir. This one ஒரு 10 minutes, 15 minutes மேலே கீழே போய் மாறி மாறி வந்துட்டு இருக்கும். காலையில today morning it was higher. Today morning it was higher. You see here the put this already yesterday I explained. This one is call open interest minus put open interest. See here, today morning the put open interest is higher. So there was a thought that market will go move up. More number of put was sold, and after that it was came down and came down. So again the market came to the status of the yesterday. So market is now again become bearish. Today morning up to 12:45 it was bullish. With this data we can say this one. So after that there was put unwinding happened and market was went down. So went down and the call open interest was higher. Okay, so the PCR value has came down. Okay. Hello, do you have any doubts, sir? Okay. Ruchikumar, sir? Okay, any doubt? Do you have any doubt in this? Okay, okay then, next. These PCR values are important. We have to, in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we have to see this value as this value. If the value is getting reduced, then we can say that this market will be going down. And if we keep this value is going up above 1, then we may say puts are put writers. That's the people who selling the put are heavy. If the people are selling the put now, what will happen? They think that the big people, the big money people or institutions are thinking that the market will not go down. So they are selling the put. So if they are selling the put now, the market will go up. So whenever the put writing happening, that time market will go up. Whenever call rating is happening, that time market will go down. Okay.
Put writing is happening. What will happen in market?
Market will go down. Put writing happening now, market will go up.
Market will go up. Okay.
Yeah. Whenever call writing is happening, call open interest is increasing. That time market will go down.
Okay.
Okay. Today morning it was the market was trying to move up. So after that it was moved some points, then it was consolidating, and again it came down. Actually, reason for this one is, see here, I want to share another screen with you.
That 9:15 or 500 points down low start.
Then it was went up. The time the call put writer were active. So market went up. You see here, market went up to this point. See here, up to this 38,450 or something, it went up to this one. See here, the call writers are what to say? Call writers are with much volume. That is 31 lakh and 50,000. 31 lakh and 50,000. Okay, this side you see, now it is 9.7. One time it was 14 lakhs. Then it was reduced to 12 lakhs when it was down. Again it went up to 18 lakhs. Then again it came to 9.7 lakhs.
Oh.
Okay, whenever it is increased, this one is increasing, that time market will go up. Whenever this one is decreasing, that time market will go down. Puts are decreasing now, put open interest is decreasing now, the market will go down. Okay. See, if you are taking here, this is we round it off to 30 lakhs. We round it off this one to 10 lakhs. That PCR value for this one may be very less. For the strike price of 38,500. Okay, 30 lakh, 10 lakh by 30 lakh. Then it will be coming around 0.3 only. Okay, whenever the market is moving up and you are seeing this, this is barrier. This is a barrier. If you are seeing this much call writing, this was accumulated for past few days. This from the last week. So we have to market have to wind up these calls to move up. If this unwinding is not happening at this place, we may see that we assume that market may not go beyond that. It was 38,400 something. Due to this barrier, I was seeing from the morning it was not being taken. If this was this call unwinding happened at this place, then we may see some up move. So that's why it was again fallen down. Okay, next. Next we see when to enter the trade and exit the trade. Hello. Okay. See when to exit the trade and enter the trade. You see here. See, first we have to see this chart. Hello. Okay. First we have to see this chart. I think. See here. See here. First we have to see this chart whether that call writers are active or put writing is happening. If more number of puts are put writing was happening, what you should do? In the today morning, put writing was happening. Okay.
Put writing. Hello, sir.
Yeah, put writing, sir. Put writing.
Put writing was put on the sale பண்றாங்க.
Yeah. Put writing was happening. See here, today was 17, no? See, when the put rating was happening, you see market, how it gone. See here, when the put writing happening, see here, at this place, it was opening was down. Then what happened? Market was higher. That time we see the put rating was happening.
Okay, okay.
See here, then at this place it was consolidating.
Yeah.
I will explain the second part of this one. See here, if you able to identify whenever that put rating is happening, market will form the higher highs. These are higher highs.
Higher highs.
Yeah, this is higher high. These are higher lows. Okay. Whenever put rating is happening, this will form here also then. Higher high, and again higher high. This is higher low. This is higher low, and here also higher low. See here, the market was consolidating around, see this timing, 10:30 to 10:45. Again, it came down.
Okay.
Okay, it came down like this. See here, after 10:30, again we see those chart. See here, the timing is here, I think. At this place, the things are getting changed. So consolidating. After that, things are getting changed. So this happened like this. It was reducing here, again reducing. Then it is that the call writers are active. So as the call writers are active in this place, market went down from here to here. Okay, sir, are you able to understand? Vijay Kumar, sir?
Yes.
Okay, now you see, whenever call writers are active, that time how we have to take, and one more thing I want to explain in this, just a minute. See here, when the call put writers are active, when the put writers are active, if we able to identify using that Excel, that software, see here, so like this happening, put writers now, market will go up. See, if you able to identify that put writers are active, then what you should do, don't take the trade at this place. Okay. When put writers are active, that time we have to take trade at this place. You have to take trade at the lower low. Sorry, lower high.
Lower high.
Higher low, higher. This is just a minute. I will.
Higher low. Okay.
This is higher low. Okay, you have to wait for some correction. Wait for some correction. Again, the market will try to move up. Here you have to take the trade when the put writers are active. Again, you have to come. This will come down. Definitely will come down. Again, it will go. Our market always will go in zigzag manner. So you have to wait for the enter. Here you have to enter. Similarly, here you have to enter. Okay. Here you have to enter. Don't try to enter here. What you should do, if you are entering here, then you have to wait up to the down and then up move. Sometime this may be the top of the market. If you are entering like this, then it will be very difficult. Okay. So after we found in the software that market is in bearish mode, here you see. Are you able to see that tool option, that my tool?
Yes.
So here you see that the difference happening here, you know.
Okay.
That time what you should do, if you have taken the trade here, then you are the winner. At around 130, see here. Here you see how this is formed. See, this one came down, up, again came down. Here it is.
ஆமா வேற ஸ்கிரீன்ல போட்டீங்களோ?
Sir?
Wait, just a minute. I share that one. Okay, this one. See here. From after one, this was from 11:30.
சார் இப்ப நீங்க இந்த சார்ட்ல வந்துங்க அந்த பிளஸ் இருக்குல்ல சார், பிளஸ் இந்த சேல் பை இருக்குல்ல, அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ஒரு
நான் சொல்றேன் சார், நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன் இதை முடிச்சுட்டு அடுத்தது வரேன். Okay. See, this here and all put writing, sorry, call rating was happening. Okay, call rating was happening. So here you have to buy, whenever call rating is happening, that time you have to buy the put. As we don't have the margin to, we have to sell the put and call to get the money to become rich. If you are using this tool together, and we can buy the market, buy the call and put, safely we have to enter and exit. See here, whenever the market, that the call writers are active, that time this will form lower lows. Lower lows. Okay. Lower lows. So So lower high is also this one. We
Mm.
keep on reducing, you see. Okay, this is lower low. This lower high. So when here you see, whenever the call writers are active, that time you're not supposed to take trade in the bottom.
Mm.
We have to wait for the entry till the recovery. So after some points recovered, then you may see some red candle and other things like that. Here you have to take you have to enter. After that you can get these points. Again you might have that green candle. Whenever you are getting the green candle, that time you have to exit. Okay, then how many points you will get from here? That is 38,242. It is coming around 38,140, around 100 points. In this trading 100 points. No need to take full 100 points. You can take 50 or 60 points, then you can exit. When call writers are active. Similarly, here also you can take the trade. And here you see this one again went up to the previous. It was broken this previous resistance. This was resistance, and it was broken that one and went up. That time, see, I already told you, you're not supposed to take trade on the lower side. Here, not supposed to take the trade. You have to take the trade here only. Or here you have to take the trade. Here you have to take the trade. Okay. Whenever you are breaking the resistance, suppose if you take in the trade here, here also some these things are there. Lower, higher lows and higher highs are formed here.
Lower highs.
Higher highs. These are higher highs. Market are keep going higher highs and higher lows. So that time what you should do, you're not supposed to, that means what? The market is going upward. Okay.
Okay.
So that time we're not supposed to take the trade whenever it is breaking the previous high. Here it broken the previous high. Okay.
Okay.
That time you're not supposed to enter. Here you see.
Okay.
Here it was broken the previous high. Here this one is broken the previous high. This and all. These are the timing where you have to that your stop loss is triggered. So you have to come out of the market. If you are in put side. If you are in call side, that time you can continue. If you are going up above this one. Okay. See, market is now.
Okay.
It is came down below 38,000. If you are taken the this put here, so you can buy it here. Okay. This is 38,282, 38,000. It was 280 points.
Down.
280 points. Okay. So that we can able to identify using the
Tool.
This my tool. See here. And at the moment when the things are getting changed, you see here, the things are getting changed from that open interest of the call is more. The time we have to take the put. You have to buy the put. Okay, you see, The put was, when I was starting this session, it was around higher than this one value. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
See, this is 49 lakhs. It is 21 lakhs. Today morning, it was contrast. You see here, the lines are crossed.
Okay.
You see
Okay.
here,
Okay.
this line was crossed there. Now put to open interest is getting lower and lower. That means the market may more number of calls are active, call rating is happening. Okay, I think in 1 minute it will be getting disconnected. Again, reconnect. I tell you how to use tradingview.com. Sir,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
புரியுதுங்களா சார்?
சரி.